Today I am reviewing the NIMO 17.3-inch IPS FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are shopping for a budget-friendly laptop, you are almost always forced to make a frustrating compromise. Usually, you have to choose between a screen that is too small to work on comfortably or a processor so slow that it chokes the moment you open more than 3 browser tabs. But today, we are looking at a machine that completely breaks that cycle. This is the NIMO 17.3-inch Full HD Laptop. It is an incredibly well-thought-out device that pairs a massive, beautiful workspace with modern processing power, turning it into an absolute powerhouse for students, remote workers, and small business owners alike. Let us start with what jumps out at you the second you open the lid: that expansive 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display. If you have ever tried to multitask on a standard 14-inch or 15-inch laptop, you know how claustrophobic it feels. You are constantly minimizing windows, shrinking spreadsheets, and straining your eyes. With this spacious display, you get an 85% screen-to-body ratio with narrow bezels, giving you the screen real estate of a desktop monitor on a portable machine. It features an anti-glare finish that drastically cuts down on annoying reflections from overhead office lights or windows. Because it is an IPS panel, the colors stay vivid and the text remains perfectly sharp even when you are looking at the screen from an angle. Whether you are cross-referencing multiple research documents, managing massive Excel spreadsheets, or winding down with a movie at the end of the day, it is an immersive experience that prevents eye fatigue during long sessions. Under the hood, this laptop packs a serious punch with the 12th generation Intel Core i3-1215U processor. Now, do not let the i3 label fool you. This is a modern 6-core, 8-thread engine that clocks up to 4.4 GHz. It easily outperforms older processors and even beats out chips like the Ryzen 5 7520U in raw efficiency. Paired with 8 GB of fast DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB solid-state drive, the system boots up almost instantly. It lets you switch smoothly between a dozen browser tabs, a Zoom video call, and Office applications without a single hint of lag or stuttering. NIMO has also gone above and beyond with premium quality-of-life features that you normally only see on computers twice this price. For starters, you get a full-sized, ergonomic backlit keyboard with adjustable brightness. This is a game-changer for late-night study sessions in a dark room or early morning flights. Right on the touchpad, there is a built-in fingerprint sensor that lets you securely log into Windows with a single touch, letting you skip tedious passwords while protecting your private data in public spaces like coffee shops. The connectivity is equally impressive, featuring advanced Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-stable, high-speed internet connections and smooth video conferencing. It also includes an advanced HDMI 0.1 port to easily hook up external displays. One of my favorite details is the inclusion of a lightweight 65-watt USB Type-C fast charger. It utilizes advanced gallium nitride technology, meaning it is tiny but incredibly powerful. Just 15 minutes on the charger gives you hours of battery life. Even better, because it is a universal Type-C charger, it can fast charge your smartphone and tablet too, meaning this is the only power brick you need to throw into your bag. Finally, NIMO gives you unmatched peace of mind. Every unit undergoes meticulous partial assembly right here in the USA under strict quality control standards, ensuring durable craftsmanship. They back that up with a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer warranty and a 90-day return policy, supported by a dedicated, US-based customer care team. If you need a reliable, large-screen laptop for school or business that does not compromise on modern features, the NIMO 17.3-inch laptop is an absolute home run.